what's going on? Todd Shaw, and welcome to the Sawdust Dude. Are you like me? Are you into woodworking? Are you into carpentry? Well, then you'll love the Sawdust Dude. I remember being a little guy going to my grandfather's sawmill and helping him work around there and cleaning up and watching the belts go everywhere and the saw blades turning and breathing in that sawdust. And man, I was hooked. I knew I wanted to be the next, well, I wanted to be the next Evel Knievel too, but I knew I wanted to be a carpenter and a woodworker. And man, I got the bug. Well, you know what? I think you got the bug too. Hey, for over 40 years, I've been woodworking and doing carpentry work. And you know what? I need to learn more. We all need to learn more, and that's what's cool about this journey. It's all about better skills for better results. And that's what the Sawdust Dude's all about. So if you're into woodworking, you've come to the right place. Because I'll take you down here and we'll do some work in the micro shop here and show you some cool tools and some little tips and tricks to help your woodworking skills. Also, you can go to sawdustdude.com and I've got some plans that you can that help start your next woodworking project. Well, what about carpentry? Well, guess what? I got you covered there too, because I'll take you to work with me and to show you the latest projects and give you tips and tricks to help your carpentry skills too. Check out our video series even on the Carpenter Apprenticeship Program that's here at the Sawdust Dude. So check those out too. Well, you know what the next step is? Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you can check out the latest videos from the Sawdust Dude. So what are you waiting on? Hey, I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching the Sawdust Dude, and I'll see you real soon. Oh yeah!